Hello guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Julie Vibes UK. Now I'm in SW6 London. I tend to select any street or road or place at random in the areas I visit. As you all could imagine, the areas are huge, so I tend to choose for you guys a section of a wide area, hoping you will enjoy it. All areas have stories, but unfortunately I can't show such wide areas.
So guys, we're heading to the cemetery. I'm going to show you the cemetery. Yeah, it's a really massive cemetery. So if you like living, it's on the main road as well. Look there. You see how many houses? Look. It's on the main road. You can see the houses. Cemetery is on a big main road. There's the bus to prove that I'm telling you what I'm telling you. So this is the church. This is the church. You can do everything one time. Where's the church steeple to show that is the church? Right, guys, this is the steeple, so you can have your funeral in the cemetery and you can judge the person at the same time, and it's all on the main road. So if you like this kind of stuff, you know, like a church nearby, maybe that's where the watchman or whoever live, you know. So yeah, it's a really massive cemetery. You might say, aren't I scared to walk in the back here? Don't be afraid of the dead. That's what people say. I was just showing you the area, yeah? So right off the main road is this big, large cemetery. I don't really like walking in cemeteries, guys, but it's a busy cemetery. You can see people walking. There you go again. You know where it is. Look, this is the big park. This is one of the parks in the area. Let's have a peek. It's really large and it's really active. This is one of the large parks. Yeah, it goes all around. But that's not what I want to show you right now. I'm not showing you the parks, yeah? Look, you see, this is one of the large parks. Right? I'm not showing you that, I'm showing you the streets around here. Oh guys, this one is called, we are in Southwest 6, yeah? Southwest 6. So this is called Crabtree Lane. Let's take a visit to Crabtree Lane with me. Let's see. Oh, so this is where all the bicycles are parked. Let's take a visit to Crabtree Lane. Okay, this is my first time coming down Crabtree Lane. Okay, right, so this is my first time on this street, so let's walk with me. Yeah, I have to hold this a bit higher. Right, let's see Crabtree Lane, what it looks like. Someone is charging the car. See, electrical. Let's go. I'll take this side. This side is some blocks of flats. And this side are the houses. I must not mistake and say it's mansion. It's not mansion, it's just houses. You understand? And them and the posh vehicles is just pulling off as well, isn't it? These houses are a beauty as well, isn't it? They are just places in West London. I'm just having an evening walk. Just come with me. I'll soon turn back. See? Private property. Well, if it's private property, some of these places are private property. Like if you're going in the back there, residents and visitors parking only. That's what it really means. Okay. Look at them. How many stories is this? I'm not gonna go down to the bottom of the street. It's really like, my feet is getting a bit tired. Let's go. I'm looking down the street. You're looking at me, ain't it? Okay, I showed most of this side. Let's look on this side as well. Ain't it? I'm gonna turn back. It's called a Crabtree Lane or something like that. Hello, hi.
How you doing?
Hi. How are you?
Good. When you're going for a walk,
Yeah.
it's nice. You go by the river,
And
and it's really nice down there.
have we met before?
No, but you know we're sisters. Don't worry.
Okay. So what's the name of the street again? Crabtree.
This is Crabtree. This is Crabtree.
Look, I met a nice lady, lad. I'm just doing it for my blogging.
Oh yeah. This is
Yeah.
Crabtree. But go by the river, you get better shots.
Okay.
Go straight
Down.
there.
Okay. Thank you.
And you can see where the river. You can smell the river, and you can vlog from there.
It's Julie Vibes UK.
Oh, good.
Julie.
I'll look it up. Julie. Vibes.
Julie Vibes UK. Look, I'm with a nice lady, you see? All right, have a good evening. Thanks. You see, sometimes everywhere you go in this world, you'll meet a nice, friendly person. You see? You always meet a nice person somewhere. I'm walking by myself and I just said hello, you know. They are human beings. I said hello and she's telling me to go down by the river. Yeah, I'm always running down by the river. Anyway, you see, right, that's the name, Crabtree. Okay. Crabtree Lane. So now you know where Crabtree Lane is. It's one of the streets of Fulham Palace Road. And when you walk out on the main road, you will find a cemetery. Cemetery? Look, it's called, look, Crab. We're still on Crabtree Lane. Look, you see? Southwest 6. Right. And then there's another place up there. I'll just stick to the main area. Up there, look, up here look nice as well. And look. See? Here, they see me and they say we are still in London. There's nothing am I hearing there. That's what I'm hearing, the people saying something like that, you know. Oh, that's not what I'm here for anyway. Look, okay, look. This is not the same Crabtree Lane. This is another street running off Crabtree Lane. Okay, look at this is Crabtree Lane here. Look. This is Crabtree Lane there. Yeah, Crabtree Lane here, and this is another street. Yeah, right. If I'm not good at direction, I better head back. If I'm not good at direction and finding my many places. This is a long road going through all the way up there. Shall we keep walking, guys? Shall we?